I see some germination here. Honeywort. Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. So when it comes to meal prepping, I find that not only does it save money, it also saves time. Who doesn't need more time? Who hasn't left work hungry, stomach growling, but no energy to stop, to shop, or cook? It's happened to me so many times. Meal prepping can certainly help with that. I chopped these into 2 different sizes because these are going to be 2 completely different meals. Now, if you're like me and you've picked up some lbs over the years and you want to lose some weight, meal prepping can help. Meal prepping can help to set you up for success. I'm looking to set myself up for success, not failure. Some going in the freezer and some for juicing this week. It helps when you choose a specific day to plan your meals, do your shopping, bring your vegetables and fruits home, clean them, prep them, cook whatever needs to be cooked. All of these things will help with meal planning in the long run. wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing in terms of meal prepping and how I am setting myself up for success. And so I thought I'd share. Maybe it'll give someone else some inspiration, some motivation to do the same. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.